Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Himanshu, and in the previous video I have asked you one question, that how we may get the result for the complete data. Let's say if we want to give them a scholarship, and if the student has scored less than 70, then any should come not eligible, and if the student has scored more than 70, then the scholarship amount should come by multiplying that with 1000, whatever is the getter amount or the difference amount, you can say. So how to do that? So here I'm going to apply a function which is if. Look at the formula bar. If this cell value is less than 70, then NE should come, means not eligible, comma, value false. If it's not, means if the score is not less than 70, then he should get the scholarship amount. So what's it going to be? So that will be calculated on the basis of, in bracket we need to select this cell minus 70. Look what is happening. If the student has scored less than 70, then NE will come, but if he has not scored less than 70, this means he has scored greater than 70. So that cell value which is greater than 70 will be subtracted from 70. So we will get how much more he has scored, and that will be multiplied by 1000. That's it. Bracket close, enter, and drag it. We will have the answer. I've told you in the first video only, because this cell value, the total marks value is in decimal, so don't get confused. So this is how we may get the result. The point of giving this particular task is to make you understand that not only text we can give some formula, or formula can be on the basis of functions, or it can be based on operator also. Another task. The task is, if student has scored less than 40, then score should be fail. If 40 to 60, then compartment, and if 60 above, then only pass. So go for it and get the result for the complete data. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.